If you're a freelancer looking to level up your income, listen up because AI is your new business partner. I'm about to share 10 insanely practical ways you can use AI tools to boost your earnings without needing to be a coder or tech genius. First up, ChatGPT. If you can write even a little, you can use ChatGPT to whip up blog posts, social captions, or YouTube scripts. List your services on Fiverr or Upwork and let AI help you crank out quality content fast. Next, Canva AI. Magic Write and text-to-image tools make creating Instagram posts, t-shirt designs, or logos super simple. Package your creations as templates and sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. Third, Notion AI. Design productivity planners or business templates, then market them to students or other freelancers. People love tools that save them time, especially if they look great. Number 4, ElevenLabs. This tool gives you realistic AI voiceovers for audiobooks or reels. You don't need recording gear or a fancy studio, just your laptop. Fifth, Leonardo AI or Midjourney. Use these to create stunning AI art, book illustrations, or avatars. List your digital art as NFTs on OpenSea or offer custom pieces on Fiverr. Number 6, Synthesia or HeyGen. Create explainer videos or AI spokesperson clips for businesses, no need to get on camera yourself. 7th, Pictory.ai. Turn any script or article into a YouTube short automatically and start earning from YouTube's monetization. 8th, Video.ai. It slices long videos into viral TikToks or Reels. Offer this as an editing service and help creators go viral. 9th, Grammarly. Perfect for proofreading and editing. Help bloggers or students polish their work and get paid for your eagle-eyed skills. And finally, Opus Clip. Repurpose podcasts or webinars into high-impact shareable clips for coaches or business owners. So, which AI tool are you trying first? The future's here, and it's ready to work for you.